Hey, hi, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Pam. I have a ton of plants. That's what we talk about here. We're growing inside, we're growing outside, we do both, we go both ways. It's a good time. I wanted to make a quick video today because I actually won an Instagram plant giveaway. About a month ago, I entered a plant contest with PlantThatPlant and PlantThatPlant on Instagram. It was this really crazy looking Anthurium and I didn't have one, so I entered it because I enter all the plant contests, which is how I found out from another friend on Instagram that that's why all the creepy people with their marketing Instagrams are all watching my stories. And I was like, where are these people finding me? And it turns out it's because I enter plant giveaways. So I'm probably gonna stop doing that. I ended up winning, which was crazy, and my plant has finally arrived. Now, I did not realize at the time when I ordered it that it was not coming from the US. This actually came from Sweden. So Oscar is from Sweden, from PlantThatPlant. The box looks a little bit like my confidence right now. Slightly dented, hopefully still usable. I was just about to leave, but I need to open this because it's been in the mail for quite some time and I am a little bit concerned that it might not be alive. And I'm gonna cut my hand off. I'll just cut my leg off this way. How long do you think before one of us stabs ourselves while doing this? I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this box open because I don't know what's happening. Okay, I really made that way more complicated than it needed to be. It just opens on the end. So, story of my life. Okay. So it's got this little taggy thing. Oh cute, that's a sticker. It's got a little sticker and the business card. Okay. Please be alive. Oh, wow. I mean, that thing is fine. Wow. This plant came all the way from Sweden. It has been in the mail since last Monday, I believe. Today is Tuesday, so 8 days in the mail. And it's perfectly fine. Well, Oscar, I am impressed. Check out those roots. They're so wormy. So thank you so much to Becca at PlantThatPlant and to Oscar at PlantThatPlant. I'm gonna put their information down below, so if you guys wanna follow them, you can check them out. They both have beautiful Instagram accounts. And of course, PlantThatPlant here on YouTube is also Becca's YouTube channel, so you can watch that as well. So I have to go run some errands, but when I get back, we'll put this in a pot.